most important question. Then why the mind keeps chasing permanent happiness outside in the world? Mind is chasing permanent happiness in the world because it does not perceive the truth. It does not see the reality. It does not want to know what is real and where lies the peace and happiness. So when it happens, then what happens? That state of the mind, that idea is known as the delusion, like a mirage water. You approach near to the mirage water, it disappears. You still go far, you find the same. That is the problem. But you say that all the experiences takes place in the mind, and if the peace and happiness is not outside, so where it lies? It lies behind the mind. All our experiences takes place in the mind. So you want to experience the peace or happiness, or you want to discover that you are peace and happiness. That is the basic difference, and it takes a long time. One becomes a seeker, and then one works on it, one discovers one's own nature. Yes, what to do to remove ignorance? Simple. What is opposite of ignorance? It is knowledge. What type of a knowledge? The knowledge about who am I? What exactly is the nature of the world? And what exactly is the existence? So the moment I recognize, what happens? The ignorance is gone. When I look at the mirage water and I approach near, I know it. It appears, but it is not true. The earth looks stationary, but it is constantly moving. So ignorance to knowledge is the way.